Yes. Okay, everybody, this is our first stop. Welcome to the Kayseri Wonderland Science Center. You know, you have brief information and you studied yesterday for them. Inside, we will have an English guide. This is our advantage, okay? And we booked means make reservation, okay? We made reservation for our school for this excursion. And also we will watch science information, yes, about science in the dome. Okay, they have a dome. They have 9D or 5D show, and we will watch it. And also there will be another guide in the let's say cinema saloon. Okay, inshallah we will watch it. Did you read these informations? Yes. Okay, good. And so you're ready? Okay, then let's start. Let's go.
Rainbows Earth of clothes. Yes, transferred clothes from clothes fill up with water from the sea.
And please help me about the vocabularies, the words, and this is the sectional, the rain, and a rain of chill. The earth has many waters, the seas, the rivers, and this river, this water, under the effect of the sun, under the effect of the heat, it evaporates, I think.
Yes, evaporates.
And it highs up, and then it goes to the cooler places. And in these cooler places, this evaporate water. I don't remember buhar. What is it? Evaporation. And this steam comes to the cooler places and it melts it under the cloth.
Diving deeper underwater, light becomes less intense. Light waves need more energy to travel through water than air, so they can't reach as far below the surface. We also begin to lose some colors.
Yes, we are losing the color. We are deep in the ocean now, and we have blue color. When we go deeper, when we go down, the color changes to dark colors. Listen. And also, the species of the fish go less. Okay? You cannot see more, you can't see more fish in the deep. Okay, please put it down. Yes, now we are going deeper in the ocean. Okay. Yes, see, we are now darker, we have darker colors in the sea. Yes. And we have less fish now. Let's dive deeper. Let's dive. Well, try again, please. It's the second group here, and we will experience the earthquakes. Okay, how earthquakes happen. Please start the English button. Ahsen, please, can you read the information?
Earthquakes occur in different intensities.
Yes.
Experience how some real earthquakes would have felt.
That's right. They occur in different intensities. Intensity means different, large, wide effects, magnitudes. Okay? Yes, please, next. Okay, now here are some very big earthquakes that happened in history. The earthquakes in Istanbul, the earthquake in Mexico, the one in Japan, it was very bad, very big, 9.0 magnitude, and also one in New Zealand. You can pick one of them, but I want you to experience the Marmara earthquake because it was in Turkey and it was in 1991. I was a university student at that time. Please, one of the students, Erva, please click on the Marmara earthquake and let's see how you will shake. Yes, start the Marmara earthquake. Yes. Yes, this is what people felt in the Marmara earthquake. And these are some pictures of the earthquake. Now, these are aftershocks. Aftershocks, I'm sorry.
There is a broken part on his leg, huh? Forward, yeah. And another. Could you want to check the organs? Yes. What is it? Böbrek in Turkish.
Okay, gather everyone, gather here please. Now we are in the zoo. I know you saw this place for hundreds of times, I know, but this time we are here for our English excursion and our English day for our ELT38 project. Please say hi to our teachers of the ELT project, our partners. We will firstly see the monkey sections and we will speak together about the monkeys, and then the other parts we will see probably all the parts, we hope, and after that we will have our lunch. Okay? Are you ready for the fun and for English?
Yes, huh?
Sure, let's go then. Let's start.
No, it's not my favorite. I love it, but it's not my favorite. It's because it's kind of, yeah, it's kind of dangerous.
I'm so scared.
Where is it?
Here.
Oh, here it is.
It shows her or his tongue.
He's so handsome.
Yes.
I think
Yes,
it didn't like
he showed
us.
his tongue. He's a rude snake.
I don't think she likes it. Likes us.
But I loved its pool for rich people.
Yeah.
It's a rich snake. What's its type?
Anaconda.
Anaconda. All right.
The other one.
Yes, these are the wax statues of the popular students of Kayseri High School. Who is this man here? This is Hulusi Akar.
Yes.
Oh wow. Okay. Of the Turkish army, yes, that's right. Who is this, Erva?
His name is Turkey Rezal.
Oh, he's Turk Razal. Yes.
And he is 8th president of the Republic Turkey.
Yes, he was a president of Turkish Republic, yes. Who is that man?
Name is
Behçet Kemal Çağlar. Yes.
One of famous poet of public.
Yes, yes, he was a poet. He was a poet, very popular poet. And who is here? Who is this young lady? Who wants to say? Okay, you can say.
The first modern woman library.
Yes, she was a librarian.
Yes.
Wow. The first woman librarian. And there are more popular students here. It's a beautiful exhibition of the students. Who is this man here? He's another popular person. Who? Abdullah Gül. Wow. Can you give me some information about Abdullah Gül, as if you know?
President of the Republic of Turkey.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Kayseri High School has got popular students.
Yes, can you give me examples? Who are they?
Abdullah Gül, Turgut Özal, Faruk Nazım Çamlıbel,
Wow.
Cevdet Kudret.
Faruk Nağız Çamlıbel. Wow. Very important students. Everybody, these are the diplomas of the students who died in Sakarya battle. It's written here. The senior students died and there were no graduates. And also there's you can show it please. There are the students here and they were martyrs in the Çanakkale Wars, Dardanelles Wars. Yes, it is very important. Then they are very important people for us.